Friday.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Nyla.
And I am Nyanda.
And we are Brick and Lace. And right now, we're here chilling outside of the Pitch Family Fridays with the most talented people in South Florida.
That's right. It was the first night, so this was the premiere event, and we were guest judges, and we had a fabulous time. We saw amazing talent here from Pembroke Pines, Fort Lauderdale, representing all from Miami, actually.
From all of
and
Miami.
It was endorsed by Super Dopes, Black Shiny. We got to big him up.
That's right. And big up Stephanie.
Big up Stephanie. Y'all put on a great show. And we would like to congratulate the winners. So it's all about the pitch. Y'all listen out for this because it's going to be something big.
And Family Fridays, you heard. Brick and Lace, we were here. Mwah.